Welcome back to the Shade Screen.
And welcome to our very first series that's called the Short Film Club.
Here, you'll find all sorts of short films from all over the internet.
Very first short film that made it to the list is drum roll.
Portrait of God. It's about a girl who buys this painting which is called the Portrait of God, and what she finds in it, I think it changes her belief. How it turns out, whether it's a yay or nay. I think it is famous for a reason, so we have to watch it to decide. Okay, let's go. We have our munchies as well. Can you see? We have our munchies as well. Woo! And live. Oh! It is no man shall see me and live. What if we see? We are women!
लूपहोल निकाल लिया हमने.
Nothing if it just looks black to you. Don't worry, that's what I see too. But that's not what everyone sees. The painting I've chosen for this project is titled Portrait of God. While
It's too bad. Wrinkled, skinny.
really skinny,
He looks skinny. He's smiling.
he's grinning. He smiles down at us,
Almost looks like corners of
settling. Of course it's frightening. That kind of power should be. I don't like looking at it. I don't like it.
It's beautiful.
Is it?
Maybe it's just a trick of the light. Maybe they're seeing something they want. What do you see?
Oh, it's still there. Oh.
Jump scare आने वाला है. और मिलियन पर कुछ नहीं.
देखा नहीं पूरा हाथ पूरा 3 घंटे हो गए. She's just standing there having a religious experience. That was so good. 7 मिनट में. How was it?
You'll see expression बहुत अच्छे दिया हमने.
But पूरी film was just 7 minutes and 30 seconds, and उसमें से 2 minutes or some minutes were just the outro to capture इतना सब कुछ. It's like a proper religious experience in that time frame. It was
Incredibly done.
Execution was incredible, and you do feel like, oh God, what is happening? And your faith. One thing that I thought when watching, I was like, at one point I was like, you can never tell.
तुम्हारा मोमेंट कब आएगा?
You can never tell God किस फॉर्म में तुमको दिखेंगे नहीं दिखेंगे, because it felt like, okay, for her interpretation for me was she was having a religious experience, proper religious experience, okay? But जो
I mean,
entity उसको दिख रही थी did not look like the gods or angels or whatever entity whatever positive entities that we see in
अगर
India and all.
आर्किटाइप की बात करें, so if we see वो
Very accurate.
I was saying कि आर्किटाइप जो एंटिटी का था was a ghost or demon, ऐसा कुछ बोल सकता है, ठीक है. बट हमारा थॉट प्रोसेस ऑफ आर्किटाइप ऑफ अ गॉड इज बहुत प्यारे से होंगे.
हाँ, वही. That's what I'm saying.
and
You never know what form that entity or God, if we believe in God, would take. ऐसा. That's what this gave me. It is a horror movie in the sense that it would definitely, अगर ये और लंबा चलता, it is a full-fledged movie. I think there would be some kind of conflict between your belief in God and what God looks like.
look, मतलब it depends ना तुम्हारे, like हमारे रिलीजन में से बोलते हैं there is no form.
हाँ.
तो अगर कोई फॉर्म ही नहीं है, so you don't know how they look like.
That's what I'm saying. No, you would never know if the entity that you encounter,
Do you encounter entities as a, that's the thing.
even in your dreams, if you encounter something, you don't know whether it's a divine intervention or whether it's just your psychosis playing games with you.
It was such good.
Gave a lot of food for thought. Spoiler alert.
Spoiler alert.
जब वो it looked like a skeleton or something. जब वो ऐसे करने आया and all that entity.
जो interaction था.
हाँ. जो पीछे the light that came from the mouth, I think. उसके पहले का जो part है जिसमें it's like it looks like a clown or a skeleton. I was very confused in that. But yeah, वो मेरा part मेरे को ज़्यादा पसंद आया. The attire or not attire or the form that was taken. It's nice. I like that part.
ऐसा हम लोग सोचते नहीं है कि ऐसे भी दिख सकते हैं.
That's what I'm saying.
Why is that a portrait of God? कि नाम. But मेरा favorite scene would be when she was discovering and the joy उसके face पे था जब उसे दिखा, ओ मुझे भी दिख रहा है.
हाँ.
वो तो वो जब उधर भाग के गई डिफरेंट, उसके बाद जो हुआ, तो उससे पहले जब हमें भी दिख
Yeah,
रहा
I
था.
got it. कि वो उसको she
was discovering.
she was so happy कि भाई वो सबको दिख रहा, मुझे नहीं दिख रहा था, लेकिन अब मुझे भी दिख रहा है.
हमको भी दिख रहा था, तो
हाँ.
हम भी like,
ओ
क्या है ये, क्या करने के
yeah. I thought there was someone standing there. Legit.
Also, वो लोग जैसे डिस्क्राइब कर रहे थे कि रिंकल्स हैं एंड ऑल दैट, जो लोग डिस्क्राइब कर रहे थे, तो आई वाज थिंकिंग कहाँ कोई बूढ़ा इंसान ऐसा होगा, बट आई वाज नॉट एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट.
It's like everyone is having a psychosis. Shared psychosis. Film was also very, very nice. It's like, by what? Dylan Clark. It's a 3-year-old movie. The scare level.
हाँ, जंप
The scare level was not like there.
जंप स्केयर्स नहीं थे.
हाँ,
You would
which is
think के
good.
जंप स्केयर्स होंगे,
हाँ.
but they were.
I was waiting for the portrait to just jump out of the entity to jump out of the portrait.
Because that's what
That's what
you expect.
हाँ, horror movies are like, but it's not. नींद आ जाएगी. It's not that scary. But what will keep you up at night is the interpretation.
How you interpret it.
How you interpret it is what will keep you up at night, and what you think about it. Your thoughts will keep you up at night. In short. Don't
And
worry.
you should watch it.
Just
too.
watch it. It's a very good shot.
film?
It was today's short film. It was Portrait of God by Dylan Clark. And if you've already watched the movie,
Let us know how you like it, how did you interpret it, and
what was your favorite scene? And if you've not watched it, what are you doing? Just please go ahead and experience it for yourself.
if you enjoyed watching it with us, do subscribe, share, and
Comment down below. Thank you.
bye bye.
Bye bye.
See you next time.